nigo mubagani maikemna JAJEMELO onyara kaba gukuigura urusagia ruaye rwe 29 ase omochie bosongo urusagia ruo ligoro guchikurwa obokoreri bwaye kurwatse kubwate gose obokoreri bwaye kubwatekana ase okurwa gose chinjira cyo kurwa chindagera chiekerero naende nigo balia eira gusabatenebwe mubagani balira gochia kurwa obokoreri bwabo ase ligo liria inse muna hago tumenye amurike ito diponi asanya.
JAJEMELO is the best in town, made in Kenya for Kenyans and the world.
Omubogani o JAJEMELO Pizza and Chicken oyore ne chinsagia emerongevere na isano na isato. Ni gobono baigoire orusagia rwe emerongevere na kianda ime yomochi bosongo.
This is our 29th branch as we continue expanding across the country. Currently we are in 9 counties.
Omubogani oyo igani gora segetaseni kia mabuta Ashel daraja mbiri ekyo kiligeranetye na hoteli ya Mashpak aseparenene ya Kisii Migori.
Nchasa marita kwa Linet Morao Murwa ngokorana JAJEMELO Pizza and Chicken twabe toto konye igoro.
My name is Benton Mande Okomba, the digital marketing manager at JAJEMELO Pizza. Today we're so happy to be welcomed by the people of Kisii Town here at Shell petrol station opposite Mashpak Hotel. JAJEMELO means the best in town with fresh ingredients. We sell various types of food, pizza, burger, chicken. We have fresh juice with us, drinks.
Omongusobo omonene nokoena na chindagira chiekerero aseligo lirigo ikereka anene ne chiofa ao
tokorosi pizza, chibaga, shingoko na chips.
Tuko na offer ya pizza on every Tuesday and Friday. Tuko na buy one get one free. On Wednesdays tuko na offer ya burgers ambazo tunauza at 700 for 2 burgers, which is a very good offer.
Nonyinabo ensemo jende nigo bakoena na obokoreri wechingencho ao gati yabo goikera chi customer chiabo asomurobelio o customer service delivery.
Have our cafe section ambapo unaweza pata chai, unaweza pata coffee and other snacks like donuts. Tuko na samosas, tuko na variety. Tuko na deliveries pia on Glovo, we are on Bolt and Uber Eats, na pia tuko na delivery services zile tunafanya sisi wenyewe kama JAJEMELO.
Chingaki barene merobelio yogo chigokinia chinsagi ao emergency niko bariganiri hapa menjebe county ya Kisii na boigo chirichieta na ine.
Watu wa Kisii tunashukuru sana kwa ile reception ambao mmetupa. Tumeona watu wa Kisii wametuona na wametu appreciate and we are really grateful for that. Na tunaomba muendelee kuja kwa duka letu.
Bakabya bantu ba Kisii county karibu kagere twaro chenge mwabwate demand ere igoro konye tore chinebaringi tore Kisumu, Nakuru, Narok. Bono mukato request toiche tubaleterani kera konye nkurumure chioda twaba
Kuroiga somo bagani o JAJEMELO Pizza and Chicken ime county ya Kisii eliana igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.